Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I want to show you how I do my sleek ponytail with a middle parting. For someone that always wears the parting just diagonally or wherever I feel like, it's not so easy to achieve a neat middle parting. So what I do is I take the hair just until my ear from the front, so more or less 4 or 5 fingers wide away. I clip it away and I go with the comb until behind my ear, clip also the right side away, and then the rest of the hair I bring into a ponytail. So I'm using the comb, check not too high, not too deep, more or less right in the middle. It's not the very high ponytail, because if I do it too high, I'm not able to keep the middle parting. So now release the clips and then make the neat middle parting. So this takes, in my case, some time, like you see, because the hair goes wherever it wants to, and I apply here already some wax and to the edges, because then it's easier to comb my hair. Here you see the parting from the top until the ear. Some more wax, you never can have enough. I have so many flyaways and I'm using this, I don't know if it's a teasing brush. It has natural bristles, I think it's called, and it makes that really all the flyaways are attached to my head and it looks nicer, I think. Here, not so neat my part line, but one won't see it later. I comb everything neatly through, and then again with this, leave me a comment down below on how it's called, this brush, I always forget. I'm not using it for teasing the hair, but I always use it to bring down my flyaways, even with gel or wax, everything is fine. And I'm using small elastics to attach the side hair. Now, final touch from this side, also over the ponytail, and I love to use my crunchies, normally in the color of the top I'm wearing. Make sure that you can't see the elastic because I have a thicker one under it, and that is the final result. Never wearing a middle parting, but with this technique it stays in place the whole day and one can actually see, and I like the movement that the side hair does. Bye bye, hope to see you back soon.